Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to post a job on Guru. Here's a guide on how to post a job on the Guru web app. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser and log in with your registered credentials. So open your web browser, go to guru.com and log in with your registered credentials. On your dashboard, that's if you use an employer account, because for you to post a job, then you have to use an employer account. I was not able to create an employer account. Somehow I missed the step. But let's say you opened an employer account. What you're going to find on your dashboard is an option that is labeled Find Freelancers or Jobs. Okay, so go ahead and click on the section to access the job posting options. So if you find jobs or find freelancers, go ahead and choose the option to access job posting options. And in the jobs or job posting area, look for a post a job or create job button, typically found at the top or in the center of the page. Then click on it to start creating your job listing. The next step is to enter the job details. So fill in the required details about the job, which include the job title. Provide a clear and concise title that describes the position or task. The next step is the job description. So write a detailed description of the work, including expectations, scope, and requirements. The next thing is the skills needed. List relevant skills or expertise required for the job, and choose the appropriate category and subcategory to help freelancers find your job. The next thing to do is to select a payment structure that suits your project, either hourly rate or fixed price. Then specify the budget or payment rate as needed. The next step is to set the start date, estimated completion time, or any deadlines for the job. Some job postings allow you to specify preferences like experience level, that's entry level, expert, language requirement, or location if applicable. The next thing to do is to review your job posting to ensure details are correct. And then click on post job or publish depending on your interface to make your job visible to freelancers. Once your job is posted, freelancers will begin submitting applications. You can view, review, respond to applications through the applications and message sections in your dashboard. Now that's it. Your job posting is now live on Guru, and you can start interacting with potential candidates. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.